Hi there, Trina Rimmer here, back to show you a very quick tutorial on how to use custom colors in PowerPoint. What I've done actually is I've used this little app, ColorPix, to go through my photo. This is my inspiration photo, and pick out various tones and colors that I want to use. And when I've identified something I like, I just click the space bar to lock it in place, and then when I hover over the color values here in this box, I can actually copy them to my clipboard and then just paste them into a notepad. Cool, huh? So what I've done here is I've actually identified some characteristics that I want for my new PowerPoint color scheme. I've got two versions of dark and two versions of light, texture background, and an accent color. And then of course I just picked up another one, so we'll just go ahead and label that accent 2. And to create the custom color scheme, we're going to go into PowerPoint under the design ribbon. We're going to click on colors and create new theme. And right now it's sitting on this sort of generic grayscale motif, but we're going to use the custom colors that we identified from our inspiration photo. So here's the part where it requires a little bit of memory. I'm going to go ahead and go into more colors and click on the custom tab. And here I've got the RGB value selected, which is the same as the values I picked up from ColorPix. So my first one is 101, 83, 63. You remember it, I'll try to remember it too. 101, 83, 63. Okay, cool. So there's my first one. And for the second one, 217, 213, 206. Okay, and I'm just going to keep doing that. 174, 171, 166. Okay, and we're slowly starting to build our custom palette. I'll do one more, 213, 193, 192. All right, and let's just go ahead and save this. We'll call that frustration, since that's the look on her face. Save, and you'll see it's already applied my color schemes, and I can actually do some variations on the background styles just by clicking on this background styles button. And it actually takes the mixes of colors that I've already fed into the color scheme and gives me some cool different lighting effects or what have you. So that is how to create a custom color scheme in PowerPoint. If you have any questions about this screencast, feel free to reach out to me directly at trina@rimmer.net. Otherwise, hope you learned something new.